friends ask me a question. I want to have a battery pack for my home. How much is it? Some people DIY battery pack, others prefer to the finished power wall. Take 51.2 volt 100 amp hour battery pack as an example. Each piece costs 50 USD. 16 pieces cost 800 USD. The smart BMS with Bluetooth function costs 16.5 USD. Then a battery case and other parts cost about 100 USD. So totally the cost is 900 to 1,100 USD. Then how about a finished power wall cost? It costs around 1,100 and 1,300 USD in the market. Then how about the shipping fee? It needs to cost 15% to 30% extra according to your destination and the shipping method you choose. So above all, there is around 200 to 300 price difference when you DIY or not DIY. So friends, do you prefer DIY or not? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Please leave message to us.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.